Good afternoon to respected teachers and my dear old friends. How are you all? Guys, now I'm talking about a wonderful personality in this world. I am going to talk at that time. It was 9th March 2008, Saturday night, 11:30 p.m. Doctors was worried and a man also worried. In hospital, cars, trucks, buses and bikes was going on the road. It was very there was a lot of noise, but a man who has some tears in his eyes, and he was worried. Doctors and nurse was coming and going again and again, and his some relatives also worried, and coming and going there and here again and again. Then at 12 p.m. night at 12 p.m. 9th March 2008, a boy was born and he was crying, and his relatives and man got happy. His relatives and father got happy. Some duration he was grown up, and at his childhood he loved nature. He loved animals and also many trees and jungles. When this boy was born, his parents adopted a dog which name was Raju, and he was loved him because because his parents adopted him when he was born, and he lived with his dog. After some duration, after some durations, his parents sent him to school. In school, he was very weak in study because he has no knowledge about his other things like maths, science, GK, GS, and social science, also many more subjects. But her mother was very strong. Her mother taught him a lot of things because she was in Anganwadi activities also, so she sent him Anganwadi, and he learnt many things in Anganwadi. After some duration, it is duration, I think he was in 6 to at 6 to 8th class when his life was changed, because he has some teachers that changed their life, changed his life. Because of their teacher, he performed well in this school. Whenever he was going to, whenever he goes to school, his teacher appreciated him, and also okay, and also it was at the time when it was running assembly. Then he spoke a quiet, which was very interesting. Then her teacher got happy with him. After 6 to 8 after 6th class, he went in 7th class. In 7th class, he was weak in maths. He was weak in maths subject. Then his teacher name was Malvia sir. He taught him maths in detail. Then he got knowledge about maths. I want to share a story with you. Once upon a time, he was in village and he decided to go to city because he decided to go to city because he want to achieve something great. His dreams were very big, and his opportunity and his courage, his courage and his attitude was very big. Then he decided to go to a city. When he come to that city, and he studied in he completed his 9th to 12th classes in that city. ऐसा क्यों बैठे हो रहे हैं? Yes, sir. He completed his ninth and 12th classes in that city. That city name was Khandwa, and that school name was Excellence School. The main turning point of his life is 11th class, because he was very quiet and calm student. He didn't talk to anyone. He has no confidence to talk to anyone, and also boys and girls. He had no confidence, but he make he made some friends which were very confident and attractive and courageous. They can talk to anyone, whether it is girl or boy, and also a teacher, principal. Then that boys became his friend. I don't want to share their names because they were very mischievous. He and his friends did a lot of mischievous, like breaking toilet stalls and mirrors and many things, and many mischievous. Um, uh, mis- he did many mischievous work, and after that 11th to 12th, in 12th class, he wrote some books, some motivational books, which were given by which one given by his brothers and sisters. After reading that type of books, he feel that I have no knowledge about other things. Like also I have knowledge about this matlab means subject, so I have only knowledge about subjects, but I have no knowledge about manners, social skills, and how to interact with people, how to talk to with people, how to communicate with people, and how can I deliver a public speaking with a lot of people. His dream was that he wanted to become a motivational speaker, but after that he decided to communicate freely and confidently with anyone. This is his short term goal. In 12th class, he decided that whenever I go to school, I will talk to any girl and any teacher and any boy. But he couldn't, because there were a lot of pressure of 12th class, and his parents expected him, and also brother and sister gave him chance uh, uh, to top in exam. He didn't study well, but he don't know how did he get a lot of number by cheating. And also he was in Saraswati, his paper were conducted in Saraswati Shishu Mandir, Anand Nagar, and he given his paper there, but his friends didn't want to leave him, because they thought that if we leave him, then we forget him. That's why they didn't want to leave him. But some conditions happened and occurred that occurred some conditions happened and occurred that he decided to join an LDP course, which was his dream to join an LDP course, because when he was in ninth class, he he went to day coaching and learned some and attained a summer camp. From that time, from that time, he decided to join an LDP course, because his brother wanted to join this LDP course, that he decided to, because he decided to join a LDP course. His brothers and he his okay he and his brother were very mischievous in childhood. Since childhood, they leave each other,